Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 42 Harton Way. It's a 3-bedroom semi-detached property within a cul-de-sac location, having off-road parking here to the front. Moving into the property where the porch leads into the lobby area and stairs going up to the first floor. And then we have the first reception room. And an archway going through to the second reception, which has sliding doors going out to the rear garden. And then coming through to the kitchen. And in the corner houses the gas boiler, and there's also an integrated fridge. In here, we have an inner lobby with a built-in cupboard, which has space for a fridge freezer. And then we have a utility, which has space for a dryer. And then the ground floor shower room. Having a good sized walk-in shower. And then moving on to the first floor landing, where the loft access is located. We've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, starting with the first bedroom here, having some fitted wardrobes. Through to bedroom 2. A nice double sized room facing towards the rear of the property. Bedroom 3. And then into the bathroom, where we have some cupboards which house the hot water cylinder, bath with electric shower above. Into the rear garden, which is block paved with fenced boundaries. There's also a pathway to the side and gated access leading back through to the front of the house. A good size workshop stroke potting shed. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.